Good morning. My name is Jeremy Bradley, and I'm the Executive Director of Caring Families Pregnancy Services in Willimantic, Connecticut. So some of you may remember me because this is my fourth year testifying against such a bill. And I am here again to testify in strong opposition to Bill 6835. As the Executive Director of a very vibrant pregnancy center, I am very much proud of the work and the educational material support that we've provided to our clients at no charge since 1989. And material support, I mean, those are things that would include things like cribs and car seats and diapers and clothing. It would even be temporary housing. And some of the educational support would include like prenatal care and parenting enrichment programs, mentorships, as well as utilizing our strong community relationships to connect clients with additional care. That could be things like job placement, housing, health insurance, WIC, or any other pregnancy-related referrals. I mean, all in all, we estimate that the communities of Connecticut, we probably have saved them well over $1 million in the services that we provide since our inception, because we don't receive any money from state or federal governments. We really rely on the passion and the generosity of our individual donors to really see a brighter future for anyone dealing with pregnancy-related issues. So we are really excited about the privilege and opportunity to do that and hope to do that in the years to come. However, this proposed bill would really jeopardize the honest and caring work and reputation our organization is providing. We've seen year after year, the committee has been entertaining and proposing legislation that just right out accuses pregnancy centers like ours of actively lying and deceiving women. Even the name of this bill, an act concerning deceptive advertising practices of limited services pregnancy centers, suggests with certainty that organizations like ours are in fact deceiving and misleading women. Also within the bill, it's very clear the state of Connecticut intends to target only that they consider to be limited pregnancy centers who are predominantly faith-based and bypassing current protection laws that are in place for both consumer and organizations. As some of you may know, Caring Families was the first to challenge the city of Hartford when they passed a very similar ordinance to what we're seeing here in SB 835. And through the depositions, we again learned the city of Hartford was unable to provide even one person who claimed they were deceived through false advertising of a pregnancy center. And again, also our time here in this committee over the last several years have kind of netted the same results. Under subpoena and Freedom of Information Act requests that we were able to be provided through the lawsuit, there was no documentation of any instance of any person ever being deceived or misled in the city of Hartford. And as part of that settlement of the case, the city agreed to provide specific definitions for vague and undefined terms in the law and making clear that the Hartford cannot enforce the law against caring families to restrict or compel our speech. The city also clarified the law does not apply to caring families because we always have a licensed medical provider on site, whatever we provide, what the city considers medical servants. In essence, because we do what we say we do, the law doesn't even apply to us. So raising this bill again in 2021 is really ripe with problems. As you can see in my written testimony, I've attached my previous year's testimonies because there are a lot of questions that have not been answered. There's been a lot of concerns that have not been addressed and raised in this committee. And these would have to do with promises that have been made by committee members and elected officials to provide proof, as well as providing some clarification on where this bill could or be. So from that current pandemic that we're in, and it just seems very, very discerning to see this time and energy being put on an incomplete and misleading bill that is based on information that has been proven to be unverifiable and in some cases even false. And so I really would implore every member of this committee to really vote no on 6835 and really reallocate our time and our energy to places where Connecticut truly needs it. I mean, I would love it if we could kind of join together and be part of a real caring solution for the many families in Connecticut who need support and not be part of this poorly conceived and biased bill that will really hinder our reputation, but also will hinder the ability to provide care for our clients in Connecticut. Thank you.